If you're like most, you want to be in a relationship. You see people walking down the street, or maybe they're in a restaurant, and the couple seems so happy. They're connecting and they're communicating and they're really enjoying being together. You think to yourself, I want what she has. And it's great that you feel that way. But did you know that you can have that too? It's entirely possible for you to be in a relationship 1 year from now or even much sooner. There's a 5-step process that will help you be in a happy, loving, sexy relationship. It's simple, but it's not easy. First, open your mindset to the fact that this can be your reality and believe it to be so. Look for and find evidence that this has happened to others. Apply dating principles consciously that allows you to experience the possibility. Invest in yourself by finding a program or someone who can help you. And finally, follow the program or the person and do what they say consistently. By believing, finding proof, switching your mindset, investing in yourself, and doing it consistently, you can be in a relationship sooner than you ever thought possible. It works. It's not just for other people. You can do it too. It's just about following a step-by-step proven recipe. You can break through any relationship blocks you're experiencing now. You really can. Believe in yourself. Believe that a relationship is possible for you, and then do whatever you can to make it happen. Even if it feels outside your comfort zone or you're not sure if it's going to work, it will. You deserve it. Imagine the example you'll be for your friends and family and those who are watching you when you make it happen. Imagine how deeply happy and loved you'll feel. If you know someone who could use a feeling of hope, encouragement, and inspiration, forward this to them because they deserve love too. If you'd like to learn more, let's talk. There's a link below for a free strategy call. And I encourage you to like and subscribe to this video, comment below, and subscribe to my weekly newsletter at daretodatedifferently.com. You'll also receive 5 free dating tips when you subscribe.